Welcome to Banner 9's system video tutorial. This video is a step-by-step guide to assist you in your online registration using Banner 9. As a first step, please visit AUM website and click on Banner, then on Student Registration to be redirected to the registration page. On this page, you can access the following services. Prepare for registration to view your registration status for the selected term. Register for classes. From this link, you can start the registration. We will come back to this after viewing the remaining options. Plan ahead. This option will display your advised courses. You can see the advised courses from the registration screen as well. Browse classes. This is a public search area, so there is no need to log in. You can use it to search for the available sections before the registration is officially open. View registration information. This option allows you to view your current schedule. Browse course catalog. This is also a public search area to view the courses and section details. To start the registration, click on Register for Classes to be redirected to the login screen. Use your Windows or email username and password. Banner is no longer using Banner ID and PIN code. Your username is your Banner ID without zeros, and the password is the same one you are using to log into your email and to computers inside the university campus. Once you are successfully logged in to the registration system, select the term you want to register for and then click Continue. If there is no term available to select, this means that the registration is not open yet. Once you reach the registration page, please read the notification message carefully and then click on Agree and Continue. The registration screen is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is for course search. Part 2 is for summary to show your registered sections and status. And Part 3 for calendar schedule view. The course search includes 4 tabs. Find classes, to search for classes and add them to your registration. Enter CRNs. If you know the CRN, you can search for that CRN and add it to your registered courses. You can also add multiple CRNs at the same time. Plans. To view your advised courses for the selected term, from this tab you can search for the advised courses sections and register yourself in one of them. Schedule and options. To view your registered courses and to print or email your schedule. In Find Classes, you can find the sections of the particular course you want to register in. For example, if you want to register in MA 165, type MA in the subject box and 165 in the course number box, and then click on Search to view the available sections. The page you will be redirected to is for search results, which shows details like Course Title. Click on Course Title to view more details. Subject. Course Number. Section. F is for female, M is for male, and U is for mixed. Credit hours. Term. Meeting times. Hold the mouse to see more details. Campus. Status. Displays the number of seats available. You can also select the closed sections to add yourself to the waiting list. After selecting the section you want to register in, click on Add to add it to your summary registration list and calendar view. You can click Submit or continue searching for other courses until you complete all selections and then click on Submit. The summary part will display your selected sections and their status. Pending means waiting for your submission. Registered means you are enrolled in this section. Waitlisted indicates that you are waiting for a seat to become available. Web drop means you have dropped the section. The Schedule section will display your schedule as a calendar view. If any section is appearing in gray color, it means you did not submit your section yet. Click on Search again to search for other courses. You can use the Advanced Search to search for sections by instructor, specific days, timing, and others. To add another section, click on Search again. For example, if you want to register English 100, type ENGL as subject and 100 as course number, and then click Search. From the results, click Add next to the section you want to register. Continue searching for sections until you complete your registration. You can also use the CRN search to look up for a specific section, or use the Plans tab to search for the Advised Courses sections. Click on View Sections next to each course. Select your preferred section by clicking on Add, then Submit, and then on Return to Plan to return to your advised courses. If you select a section that is not related to your major, class level, gender, or a closed section, or you did not complete the prerequisite of the course, or the section you want to select has a timing conflict with one of your selected courses, you will get a registration error message displayed on the top right corner. If the section you would like to register in is closed, you can use the waitlisted feature to reserve your seat in case another student drops the section or the number of seats were increased by the university. The system will notify you by email in case a seat becomes available so you can register in that section. After receiving the system email, you will have 12 hours to register for the waitlisted section. In case you fail to register within 12 hours, you will lose the seat and the next priority will be given to the next student on the waiting list. Finally, to email or print your final schedule, click on Schedule and Options, and then click on Email or Print. Thank you for watching.